Let's see if we can get that full screen. Wow, this is nice, guys. It's moving. We are down to, let me check. And it's the end of our bonus. It's going to walk away with 725 rand. And let's see, now is that time where I wanted to show you guys with those ages there, here 41. Let's see, this is what happens if it's click through 6, you get extra 6 free spins, but it's playing some dramatically that we don't like here. Okay, yeah, now it's getting better. 6, it must go to 6. Okay, let's do, okay, it must go to 6. We want 6. We want 6 here. We are here to make money, guys. Okay, we're gonna be walking away with 1.47. Thank you guys for watching this YouTube channel. Bye.